This time we will learn about how to set the working area in ZWCAD. Move your mouse to top left of the working area. Click the minus sign and hover the viewport configuration list. Choose one of the viewport configuration. Working area will now divided as the viewport configuration. You can use the different viewport as the one for working and the other as reference. You can change the viewport configuration as many times as you wish and needed. And you can adjust the separator using your mouse to fulfill your need. And the configuration will reset and change as you move to the another viewport configuration. The best thing is, you can change the configuration within every active viewport. Not only from the top left viewport. That's it.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.